Today, we're diving into an awesome feature available on Vivo smartphones, Easy Touch. This is a great way to simplify your navigation and make your phone usage more convenient. We'll cover models like the Y15, Y17, Y19, V11pro, Y53, Y91, S1 and S1 Pro. So let's get started. First off, what is Easy Touch? Easy Touch is a floating menu that gives you a quick access to essential functions and apps, all from a single touch. It's perfect for those who want to streamline their smartphone experience. Now let's enable Easy Touch. Here's how you do it. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap on the gear icon to open settings. Scroll down and find convenience features. Tap on it. Look for Easy Touch in the list. Tap to enter the Easy Touch settings. Here you'll see an option to enable Easy Touch. Just switch it on. Now that we've activated it, let's customize it to suit your needs. You can add your favorite apps here. Tap on Add Apps and select the apps you want to quick access to. If you want to rearrange the icons, just long press on an app and drag it to your preferred position. You can also adjust the transparency of the Easy Touch menu. This helps it blend in with your screen. Just find the opacity option in the settings. And that's it. You're all set to use Easy Touch on your Vivo smartphone.